This is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over how to create a wave range. So to start, you would go ahead and log in to your login and come down under the marketing tab and click on wave ranges. Once here, you would go ahead and click on create. From here, you would get to enter the name of the range. So we're just going to put 10% increase on pontoons. For the dynamic metric, this would be a 10% increase, and we want the increase to start once one ticket is sold. And we want it to run until 2 tickets are sold. From then we would create another wave range for 3 tickets and up for, say, 15% if we wanted to. Max price, you can specify a max price if you want, but we'll just leave this alone for now. And click next. Now we want this to run on our 20-foot pontoon rentals. And for tickets, we only want it to run on a 4-hour rental, and we'll just go ahead and select all times. So basically what this does is sets a requirement for the 10% increase. Now, in order for it to increase 10%, it would have to be a 4-hour rental happening in any one of our times that we have set up. So if a 4-hour rental happened at 8 a.m. and then the second one was set to increase at 10%, so the second person booked at, say, 10 a.m. on the same day, their ticket would be at a 10% increase. So we're going to go next. We don't want this, we want it on WaveRez only, but if you wanted it on TripShock as well, you can change that setting here. And we're going to run the dates from, let's just say, the whole month of May. Now, you can put in blackout dates here, and basically this allows you to set on a specific day that you don't want the range to run. So if you don't want it to run on, say, every Saturday, you could put in a blackout date for every Saturday here so that it doesn't run on those days. Now once you're done setting this up, we'll just go ahead and hit save. And you've just created your first wave range. And here it is. Now, this will automatically run overnight since we set it, ticket sold ranges from 1 to 2. So once one person buys a ticket, the second person will have a 10% increase on their ticket price. But it will run every night, overnight. So if somebody bought one tonight before, let's say midnight or so they bought it within the hour, and then another person wanted to purchase a ticket for that 4-hour rental tomorrow the price would be set at a 10% increase across the board for all times. But the next day following that, every day following that inside of that range would have the ability to have a 10% increase as long as one ticket is sold. But the increase only happens on a day-to-day basis. So one ticket is purchased for tonight, the range runs overnight. Tomorrow's prices are all 10% higher. But the next day, somebody would have to purchase at least one ticket for the price to increase. Elsewise, the next day would be cheaper than tomorrow, if that makes sense.